birthday, honey.
Thank you. I completely forget about that part. And you had the cake. I didn't expect all of this.
You have to blow out your candles out. One will
There's
forget
gift
the
too.
candle.
Summer gift. What did I do?
Hi, Faze. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You want to join Mama? Say good morning. Say good morning. Look. Up here. Look. There. Look. Here. Here. Up. Here. Ah! Say morning. I am already so tired and I have so much to do today on my agenda. So much planned. First thing first. Let's just get it out the way. Today is the boss's birthday. Today is Babe's birthday. So I am just sending happy birthday to my wonderful, 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 amazing, humble, kind, gentle soul of a husband. Listen, y'all don't understand how blessed I am to have this man. We are so opposite, but yet so much alike. Happy birthday, honey. You're 33 today and you look amazing. You are the best husband in the entire world. And you already know I won't give any big speech, but yeah, happy birthday, my love. And you know, your wife wouldn't check out all the stuffs for you today. Listen, let me just tell you guys that Babe have no idea whatsoever what he's up for today. He have no idea that I'm gonna surprise him at the restaurant. He have no idea that I'm home about to bake his cake right now that he asked for. Let me show you the cake that Babe requested. You see this cake, it have runny chocolate in the middle. So it's like outside is baked normal, but inside is runny when you cut it. Or it shouldn't be runny, but it should be soft. The chocolate should be soft inside. So he requested that cake, got the cake mix. Even last night he said, "But baby, I bake my cake." I'm like, nah, I didn't get the time. So he doesn't know that I'm home baking his cake right now, and he doesn't know that we're gonna surprise him at the restaurant. However, I told him to drive to work, and he looked at me like, "Why should I drive to work?" I said, "Just drive to work, honey, no question asked." You wanna come up? So he drove this morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
What you wanna say to Papa? Happy birthday.
Birthday. And you know what?
What?
We said Daddy on it.
Ah!
This is what?
He saw something in front of him that says Daddy on it. It's iced in sugar. Mama gonna bake Papa cake right now.
I want to help you.
You want to help me? I was sure of it. So anyway, I have a few stuff to do today. I'm not gonna explain everything to you guys right now. It's just too much. So just follow us along the day, the rest of today's vlog, to see how Babe's surprise played out, to see how his cake turned out and everything else. Right now, I'm gonna put this little gorgeous girl down for a nap. So in that nap time, I can knock out the cake and get some more stuff done. Let's just say that. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put sister down. So enjoy today's vlog. I know you guys will be sending all the love to Babe, and not to take away from Babe's birthday, but today also made 9 years that we're together. Today is the first day that Babe arrived in Jamaica, the first day that we see each other eye to eye, the first of it all. We're all begun 9 years today. Can you believe that? So we're also celebrating 9-year anniversary. Anyway, you guys, it's gonna be a good day. So I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. Alright guys, that's the texture, thick. That's how it's supposed to be. Now let's throw it into this pan. Hold on tight.
Wow.
If you all know nothing about my husband and my son, is that they love chocolate cake. Tyler loves chocolate cake. Babe love it twice as much.
It looks like mud.
It does look like more than this. When I said it's chocolatey, chocolatey, it's chocolatey, chocolatey. Just thinking about it like my teeth, Nedge. You want to taste it?
What did
You want to taste it?
you Yes.
Use your finger. Put your finger in the bowl. In the bowl. Taste it.
Yummy.
Mm.
It tastes just like a chocolate
Alright, you guys.
cake. One or two, please.
Hold on. There it is. Ready for the oven. So while the cake is going, Tyler and I here creating just a little space for the cake. Going to finish. Putting a wine on the table. Some little hats so we can cut the cake with him. So we can cut the cake with him and drink later when he gets back home. Everything seems to be on time so far. Cake baked and it came out perfectly just the way I wanted it. In the middle is soft just the way Babe like it. And I cut out the number 33 on a piece of paper. And now I'm going to drizzle some icing sugar all over it. Just to show you guys an example of what it's going to turn out to be by the time I'm finished drizzling this icing. I should actually be drizzling it through the strainer.
That is a strainer.
Right. So I'm just drizzling icing sugar all over it.
How it's going to turn? Whoa, my 33! The number 33.
So the number 33 is in the middle. It's not as pretty as I wanted it to be. I mean the 3, but I can take off this excess sugar. Alright you guys, so it says happy 33rd birthday Papa. We have Papa's favorite cake on the table. And
Some hat and cup.
hot and
Juice.
cup and wine
And some balloons.
and a little decoration. All right, that will do. Hey you guys, everything is going so good, just like I wanted to. You see how calm I am? That's because I'm on time. Okay, let me show you guys what's up. So I spruce up Babe table a bit. I give him the happy birthday sign. I just tuck them up there. Everything is on the table. Let me move my glasses so you guys can see his cake, his wine, a few balloons, and the happy birthday sign. Now the kiddos are taking a nap because I want them to not be restless while we're out. Though it's Sarah's usual nap time, I planned it just like this, so she'll get her nap, have her bottle, and then we just head out. And I also deliberately put Tyler down for a nap. You guys know Tyler doesn't take a nap, so Tyler is resting, so that's good, so he won't be whiny when he's out. So yeah, bags packed. All I have to do is wake the kids up, feed them, and head out because everybody's already sure. So everything is going according to plan, and your girl is also dressed. The last time I wear this outfit is Jamaica meet and greet. So if you were at Jamaica meet and greet, you would know this outfit. And my extra self pulled out one of the balloons. Yeah, so this is my outfit, and I pull out my favorite hairstyle, and I'm gonna drop on some red lips before I leave. Hopefully I remember, you know, when you pull out the red lips it means serious business. And have his gifts. All I need to do now is go and stop at the balloon store. I want to get him a balloon that says happy birthday, you know. That's how he goes. And Tyler says he wants to get him a badge that says happy birthday. So hopefully we can find it, and then we'll head to town. He keep messaging me, babe, what time I'm to leave work, because he knows on his birthday he always leave work a little bit early so that he can come home and have early dinner, because I always cook for him on his birthday. But he have no idea what's going on. I just tell him, babe, don't leave work until about 5:30. That gives me enough time to reach down and plan my next step. So it's a good day, it's going good. So I'm just here breathing a bit before the kids wake up in about 30 minutes. So we're on time, shorty. Baby number one is up and dressed and ate and ready to go. Tell her you're getting so big, you know that? Yes. You're...
Because I'm almost 5 years old.
By the end of the week, you'll be 5 years old, right? Who's excited?
Me.
Ready to go surprise Papa? Yes. Alright. Okay, so a final look of babe table. We put 2 of his gifts there, and we're gonna carry 2. Tyler wants to carry 2 of his gifts. So we're gonna leave 2 at home.
Mama.
And then we're gonna carry 2. Baby number 2 is all dressed and ready to go. You ready?
Yes.
Sarah, you ready? You ready to go see Papa? Princess, come here. Come here. Sarah, come here. You love my room? Huh? Where are you going? You're heading for the door? She loves playing with the key. Princess, I love your outfit. Come in. Come. Bye-bye, Sarah. You're so adorable. I think Mama prefers bow over headbands now too. Come here, Princess. Come here. We're leaving. It's time to go. Come. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sarah. Hi. Hello. 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 You guys, we are here at the restaurant. We reached here. Of course, we're here early, so we're in the drink section. Then when they start serving dinner at 7, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is really dinner time. So we will move over to the dining section. Let me show you what it looks like. So it's over there, the dining section. I called babe and told him to meet me at McDonald's. So as soon as he comes, when you reach McDonald's, I'm just gonna send him to our next point. When he reach that point, I'm just gonna send him to our next point until he reach here, because if I tell him directly where we are, I know he's gonna probably type it into his GPS and see where he's going. So I'm not telling him directly where he is, and just have him walking until he reach here. pot. Papa birthday. Happy 33rd.
You are together.
Ooh, tastes good. This is where we were, you guys. How was your birthday dinner, honey? Hey!
That was great.
Was great?
That was great.
Nightlife, you guys haven't, I think it's the first time you guys have seen nightlife on the promenade like this. So, that's the beach down there. Let me show you guys the slow movement of the promenade during the night. This is where we were. La Beta. It was awesome. Alright, now we are gonna take a little stroll and head home.
Mama?
Yes?
You're going to see
Your mask, your mask, your mask. We need to put on our mask.
where we are.
So yeah, we're heading home right now.
Joyeux anniversaire,
Ah, I completely forgot. Thank you, Tyler. You closed the door.
Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you. I completely forgot about that part. And you had the cake. I didn't expect all of this. Aww. Well, Tyler, I don't think we eat maybe a little piece just to celebrate.
You have to blow out your candles out when we forget the candle.
Someone gift. What did I do?
So what did I do?
I am the king today, baby.
Well, since you turned 1 today, we're gonna blow out the #1 candle. Because we forget to buy a candle.
33, guys. 33. Hey, 33 already?
We're gonna give it the #1 candle.
33 already?
Because we forget to buy a candle.
#1, always #1. Tyler always tell me I'm the #1 dad. I am his favorite dad. No, that's not what he say. He say I am the best dad in the entire universe. Sorry, guys. Wow.
They already see everything. Wait. Hold on. I mean, I have to come to enter,
and you have to sing happy birthday in 5 different languages. So, starting.
Come, Tyler, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Come, Tyler, come.
to you.
Happy birthday, dear honey. Happy birthday to you. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, papa. Joyeux anniversaire.
One
Make a
more.
wish.
Make it in patois, I don't know in another language.
It's the same thing. Tyler, come.
You know nothing in patois. I have to make
Make a wish. Papa gonna make a wish.
He's making a wish. He's making a wish.
Yay! Alright, you guys, and that's how the cookie crumble for today. Baby's gonna pull the rest of his gifts, and I probably taste this cake, drink some little juice, and go to bed.
Joyeux anniversaire.
Merci, mon gars.
Sarah, where's your hat? Ta-da!
Mama won.
Everybody needs his own.
Sarah, no have no hat. Sarah, don't have no hat. Put one on Sarah's head. Sarah, eat it.
C'est pas pour
Wait, wait.
Present.
Come, let me
Come
try
fast,
to get a
come
picture
fast.
fast, because you know this not stay past Sarah head. Sarah! Sarah!
Look at Mama. You see? Peekaboo.
Princess! That's from Taylor. Take time. Take your very time. Be gentle with that.
Qu'est-ce que ça fait? Encore le papier cadeau de princesse. Je prends les dessins de papa. Yeah, try to be too gentle.
Okay, Tyler, explain to Papa what you did for him.
Ça c'est un arc-en-ciel. Ça c'est un skateboard.
Ok.
Et ça c'est
Un
quelque
cat.
chose.
C'est Happy Birthday, Papa. Tu es le meilleur de tous les enfants du monde.
Moi c'est le
You see? Looks like shoes.
What look like a shoes?
This box.
Oh?
Oh, it look like a shoes box. Good. You got this one at Becky. Let's see if she check me and take the old shoes and the old shoes box and put some. C'est des chaussures.
pour toi.
Nice. Nice. They're nice. I like that style. You know, it's my style.
I know your style. It wasn't easy for me and Tyler to find, but
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Big hugging kiss. I love you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Let's
Hey guys, thank you. Well, I gotta say
for all
my
the
wife.
love that you've been
Right.
sending.
Thank you to my wonderful wife. She was amazing today, but she amazing every day, but she makes sure I have everything today. I'm feeling blessed, and I thank you, my wife, one more time.
Welcome.
Thank you to my wonderful son, my little boy, my little gangster boy.
And your wonderful
And
daughter.
my wonderful daughter. She have nothing to do with that today.
She have everything
but,
to do with it.
In the future, I'm sure her and Tyler, I'm expecting so much surprise and so much bless. And she's here, she full my day today, giving me a lot of smile.
Papa,
I love my family.
c'est pas ton anniversaire, c'est mon
C'est
anniversaire.
bientôt dimanche, c'est ton anniversaire.
Oui.
And one more birthday to go.
One
this
more
week.
birthday to
I
go.
get 3 days rest.
Right.
One
I think
birthday after my Annie.
Then 1 month later as well. That one I don't care about. So I have to care about everybody else.
so guys, I had to thank my wife and my kids first, but I want to thank all of you for all of the love, all of the
Messages on Instagram, Facebook.
Yes, I'm very thank you again. I really appreciate.
How 33 feel?
Oh, I feel tomorrow. Today I feel like 32. Maybe I wake up tomorrow differently, but today I still feel
My
32.
birthday.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to give, turn on the video, turn thumbs up and like is the same.
Well, you're right.
To turn on the notification, to subscribe and to catch up and to peep up.
As Tyler would say. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Today.
tomorrow.